Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Real Madrid Champions League matches. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. So to do that, just open your browser right here. And then on the search bar, we're going to search for how to watch Real Madrid Champions League matches and then click on enter. Once you do that, you will see this first link. So all you have to do is to open it. And then in this part, you will now be able to see the matches of Real Madrid. So as you can see right here, it is available through Disney Plus and then Premier Sports. Now, all you have to do is to choose the streaming platform that you prefer. Now, let's say, for example, that you choose Premier Sports. So we're going to open another tab and then we're going to search Premier Sports Real Madrid. After that, click on enter. And then you should now be able to see this. So just scroll down right here and then you will now be able to see Real Madrid right here. So just click on Real Madrid and then you will now be redirected into their specific match. As you can see right here, this is it. However, we have to click on accept all and we have to log in into our account. So if we don't have an account yet, we will have to subscribe. So click on subscribe right here. So you'll just have to choose Premier Sports. So click on select. And then after that, you will have to choose your preferred subscription. So let's say, for example, that you choose this. So we're going to click on select. And then you will now be redirected into this page. So what we're going to do next is to first, of course, fill up this information. So we're going to put this. You're going to put your name, your last name, your mobile phone number, your favorite content. So you'll just have to look for Champions League. So after you do that, click on other sports. You'll have to answer it. And then after that, just put your postcode and then of course your password. And then once you do that, you will now click on next. So once you click on next, you will now be redirected into your order, wherein you will be able to see the summary of your order. And then once you confirm it, you will be redirected into their payment section, wherein you'll have to put your payment channel, such as your credit card or debit card. So once you put it and you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now be able to watch Real Madrid Champions League matches inside Premier Sports. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.